Hey there, money-savvy viewers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks for managing your finances in 2025. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to deposit money from Remitly to your Chase account. If you're dealing with international transfers, freelance payments, or just sending money across borders, this step-by-step guide will save you time and hassle. Remitly is a popular app for quick money transfers, and Chase is one of the most reliable banks, so linking them up is a game changer. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have both a Remitly account and a Chase bank account set up. If you don't, download the Remitly app and sign up. It's free and straightforward. Also, ensure your Chase account is linked to your mobile banking app for easy verification. Step 1. Open the Remitly app on your phone or computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Send Money or Transfer section. Here, you'll select the option to send money to a US bank account. Step 2. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Remitly will show you any fees up front. Keep an eye on those, as they can vary based on the amount and your location. In 2025, Remitly has streamlined this process with faster processing times, often under 24 hours for domestic transfers. Step 3. Add your Chase account details. You'll need your Chase account number and routing number, which you can find in your Chase app or online banking. Double-check these to avoid any delays or errors. Remitly might ask for verification, like a one-time code sent to your email or phone. Step 4. Review and confirm the transfer. Read through the details carefully, including the exchange rate if it's an international transfer, and hit send. You'll get a confirmation email from Remitly right away. Step 5. Wait for the funds to arrive. In 2025, most transfers to Chase take just a few minutes to a couple of hours, but factors like bank holidays or high volumes could add time. Once it's done, log into your Chase app to see the deposited amount. A quick tip: always use secure networks when handling transfers to protect your info, and keep an eye on any currency conversion fees if you're dealing with foreign money. If you run into issues, Remitly's customer support is top-notch and available 24/7. There you have it. That's how you deposit money from Remitly to Chase in 2025. It's easier than ever, and this method can help you manage your finances more efficiently. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance hacks, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay smart with your money, and we'll see you in the next video.